Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 11th day of November 2025. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room. This is a trade taken in the room by myself and others as well. So here we go. We're going to use our favorite indicator, which is our strong candle indicator. The little triangle, this red triangle pointing down, which means we're going to take this trade short. Um, right here. No, it's not a very big bodied candle, but these little ones, they have a tendency to pay very, very well. Now we look over here at the PVI, it's come down. I mean the volume is the that's being taken out of the market. So we got to be really careful pairing our ATM to the PVI and assume that we're going to get, 50 or 60 ticks on the next candle. So this one took quite a few candles to do. So as soon as we get picked up in this thing, we'll go ahead and run it at higher speed so we don't sit here all day. But this it doesn't look like much, but you'll see that it's very, very effective. And here we go. So let's go ahead and we're going to sell this bad boy. Put a cover order on. We don't have much of a tail. I mean, yeah, don't have much of a tail here. So put a cover order on, take off, and here we go. All right, so let's go ahead and move it up. We got a nice push retrace up that moving average. Stop is pretty much where it's supposed to be, so we'll leave that alone. And you'll see as soon as we get our first target taken out, we're going to de-risk the trade completely. So all we need are 16 ticks to go our way. Well, we're picked up, so we can go ahead and speed this up now. All right, so you see we de-risked the trade pretty quickly. The first two targets are out. That third target's going to take a while. So what we want to do is get another order ready. We'll do it underneath. If it takes us out now, we still made money and we can re-enter the trade, which is exactly what happened here. So we've already made money on the first time through. And now we're going to go and do it again. You say, Fred, can you do that? Can you re-enter the same signal more than once? Absolutely. We had a small retrace, push retrace off the moving average. Now we had a larger retrace, came back through again. Stop is still where it belongs. Nothing's really changed. We just need our first target to be taken out. Get another order ready just in case it takes us out of break even again. There we go. So that's our first target out. Second target out, we can't lose any money. Well, all we can do is make money at this point. We got another order ready in case. Now, I got another efficient candle, that strong candle indicator, and a nice push up. I could actually go ahead and put another order on here if I wanted to, but we'll just stick with the one trade for right now and look for our 60 tick target. Now, this may take a little bit more time. Maybe we should speed it up just a little bit. This may take 3 candles to actually get there. Don't remember off the top of my head. I know we got all of our targets, but just forget how many candles it took to actually get it done. It's tough when you're trading it to the top of the trend indicator. It's a bit of a brick wall, but we'll see. I believe we get 3 consecutive strong candles in a row. Okay, next candle. We still haven't gotten 60 ticks out of this. So we'll just stay in the trade, keep our stop where it is. So this trade's taking a little bit longer than most of our other ones take, but that's just the way it worked out. There we go. All right, this took about 11, a little over 11 minutes to pay and was worth 855 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 855 US dollars in 11 minutes, Come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. That's SamuraiDayTrading.com. We have a full course for you to take. We have all the indicators you'll need, especially our strong candle indicators. As you can see, every one of these strong candles have paid on the way down. So come and join us. We look forward to seeing you. And God bless you. And we'll see you next time.